Welcome back to the TPRIHL Room. This is your Urban Eco Master, and we are out here in Glendale, Phoenix, Arizona, and we are with the Immunity Unity Community Visioning Movement. Yes, so check us out, check us out, check us out. See, the TPRIHL Room is here. Immunity Unity Community, and we are introducing our CMOS blends. All right, we have the Energy Mossberry at the top, the Green Clean, we have the Covell 33 Therapy, and we have the Vitality CMOS. We also have the Shiva Fire. All right, and here we're at introducing you to the powerful CMOS blends. The Shiva Fire is here. Covell 33 Therapy. We also have the Chakra Blend, lovely Green Clean. We have the Vitality CMOS, the Energy Mossberry, and today we have the Comforter. We're giving away the Comforter, special blend of all red fruit and vegetable, and of course come for your raw CMOS. All right, come on out. Big sale going on, big sale taking place, big sale, big things going on, big things, patriotic, Jamaica, where you at? Come out. And you know we have everything to support it. We have the PhD, the bachelor's, the master's, the associate degree, and some very important books right here. Yes, amazing liver, cancer, not a disease, matrix energetics, feel great, lose weight, the great God, Marcus Garvey. And remember, planet hurt, diabetes, no more. Come on out, come read with us. We're on the kidney drive, kidney health, better information. Let's do it. The place is ready, the place is ready. A lot is going on. A lot is going on. Come on out.